Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Make sure you're using the most updated version of the app or browser. Restart your computer or phone. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If you're using a phone, log into Facebook and try again.
Take our lead.
If any of your feeds are blank, close and reopen Facebook to refresh your news feed or update the browser you're using. If that doesn't work, please use the Report a Problem link on your account to let us know more about what you're seeing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
On the web, click the little down arrow next to News Feed in the left column of the page, then select Most Recent. On the iOS and Android apps for Facebook, tap the three-line More button in the corner of the screen, scroll down and tap Most Recent.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.